Let's make Nutella cake. We'll need eggs, oil, sugar, milk, vanilla, flour, mix baking soda and baking powder, Nutella, mix well. Then put in a molder with the parchment paper. Wrap it in foil and seal it. And we're ready to cook. Put in a steamer, cover it and steam for 30 minutes. After it's done, remove it from molder. Flip it and remove the parchment paper. I also have chocolate bars I prepared earlier. This is just chocolate and heavy cream. And I put it in the freezer to solidify. Now we'll slice the cake into 3 parts. First is layer the top. Second is the middle. And the third is the bottom. Now get the chocolate bar, put it on top. Next is cake. Then the chocolate. And lastly, the top layer. I also added icing on the cake. I added melted Nutella and butter for the icing. I also add decorative flowers and I write happy birthday on top. You can make your own or create a simple cake for your loved ones. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.